Abdullah ibn Umar was one of the most famous companions of the Prophet, peace be upon him. His full name was Abdullah ibn Umar ibn al-Khattab. He was the son of Umar ibn al-Khattab, the second Caliph of Islam. Abdullah accepted Islam as a young boy in Mecca. He migrated with his father to Medina. He was known for his devotion to the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Abdullah ibn Umar narrated more than 2,600 Hadiths. His narrations are among the most authentic in Islamic tradition. He was extremely careful in following the teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Abdullah was also known for his worship and long prayers at night. He lived a simple and humble life. He avoided luxury and worldly distractions. Abdullah ibn Umar was known for his honesty and justice. He refused political positions to avoid corruption. He dedicated himself to knowledge and worship instead. Many scholars learned from him and carried his knowledge. He emphasized the importance of sincerity and faith. Abdullah ibn Umar lived through the caliphates of Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, and Ali. He passed away in 693 CE in Mecca. His life remains an inspiration for Muslims around the world. Abdullah ibn Umar is remembered as a guardian of Sunnah and a role model in piety. Subscribe for more Trusstoria channel.